Fraction simplification number 10. Here's a big fraction simplification that might look very complicated, but it is actually very easy, very simple, and very short. Here we have the first bracket, the second bracket, and also for the first time there is the third bracket coming in our fraction simplification section. So, which one to do first? Of course, we need to do the first bracket first, but there are three first brackets I can see. So, which first bracket will I touch first? We can do all of them together, but we will not touch the second bracket and the third bracket. But in the next line, we can do all of them together, or we can do one by one, whichever way we want. Okay, so let's go to the next line. Let's remove all these brackets. Okay, next line. What are you going to do? We are going to do the first bracket operation in this section first, because it comes first from the left. Okay, so 5 and 3, there is a fraction subtraction and the denominators are 5 and 3, so we have to do the LCM. And what is the LCM of 5 and 3? It's 15. Now we have done the LCM and kept a common denominator 15. Now 5 times how much is 15? 5 times 3 is 15, and that 3 will be multiplied to the numerator 3 and it becomes 9. Again, what should we do next? We should find out 3 times how much is 15. 3 times 5 is 15, and that 5 goes with this numerator, multiplies with this numerator. So 5 into 1, how much? It's 5. Okay, so this portion is sorted. Now let's come to our next first bracket. So which is our next first bracket? This one. We can do it together here. So what will you do? We will cancel 8 with 8. The numerator and the denominator can get cancelled in a fraction multiplication, and 8 is a common factor to both 8 and 8, of course. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 1 is 8. We have a next first bracket here. So here also we will do the same thing. The denominators and the numerator is 11 and 11. So 11 and 11 can be cancelled by 1 and 1. So in our next segment, we can just write this line. See, the third bracket is as it is, 20 is as it is, minus is as it is, second bracket is as it is, the mixed fraction 2 whole 1 by 3 is as it is. Now we have done the operation of the first bracket and removed the first bracket. So what is the operation? 9 minus 5 is 4 and 15 is as it is, okay. And we have just removed the first bracket. We have kept the second bracket close. Then plus sign is as it is. Second bracket opens here, but this thing we have already done. So after cancellation, what should we do? We should multiply the numerator with the numerator, that is 3 with 1 gives us 3, and 1 denominator is 1, so we don't write the denominator if it is 1, so we will just write 3 divided by, first bracket is removed and we write the divided by sign as it is. The operation in this first bracket gives us the final answer 9. Okay, everything has become 1. So 9 into 1 gives us 9. Divided by 1 is again 9. Okay, so now we do not have any first bracket anymore. So now we will consider our second brackets. Let's write this line once again. Fine. So this time we are going to consider the second brackets. In the first step, what we can do, we have written every other thing as it is, but 3 divided by 9, can we write it like this? 3 divided by 9, it will be easy to cancel. That's why I wrote it like this, okay? So here we have another thing. There's a mixed fraction 2, 1 by 3. How to change this to improper fraction? Mixed fraction to improper fraction, the denominator remains as it is. So 3 will be remaining 3, and this 3 will be multiplied to this 2. So we have written 2 multiplied by 3. Whatever the answer comes will be added to the numerator. So plus 1. Now of course 2 into 3 plus 1, the multiplication is done first. So 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1, and 6 plus 1 was, what is it? 7 by 3. Okay. So in the next line, let us put 7 by 3 here. Instead of 2 1 by 3, we are putting 7 by 3. Other everything is the same. Now we have this line. What to do? Now we will be doing the operations in the second bracket. So this is the first second bracket from our left side. We have two second brackets. So first, in this second bracket we have fraction subtraction. So for doing fraction subtraction, what should we do? We should find out the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominators are 3 and 15. So LCM of 3 and there is a mistake. Let me correct it. LCM of 15 and 3, not 5 and 3. So what is the LCM of 15 and 3? It's 15. So what should I write? Just wait, let me erase this one. Yes. So what should I write in the next line? In the next line, we take the common denominator as 15 and how many times 3 is 15? 3 multiplied by 5 is 15 and that 5 gets multiplied to its numerator. So 5 into 7 we have 35. Again minus, and after that what should I do in the numerator? We should find out 15 into how much is 15. So 15 into 1 is 15 and that one gets multiplied with 4 and we write 4 here. Now this one we drop, and we can also do the next operation in the next second bracket. So 3 over 9. There's a denominator 9 and there's a numerator 3. We can cancel them because 9 and 3 both comes in the multiplication table of 3. So 3 is a common factor to 3 and 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now in the next line, let us arrange it and write. Okay. So 35 minus 4 gives us 31. 20 is kept as it is. Minus is kept as it is. Plus we have 1 in the numerator now and 3 in the denominator. So 1 over 3. And since we have done all the operations in our second bracket, so second brackets are removed now. So we only have the third bracket left and we have to do this operation and then we will be done. So let's write this line again. Okay, so 20 minus 31 by 15 plus 1 by 3. Now there are two fractions and one whole number. So why keep it as a whole number? Let's make 3 of them fractions. Now 3 of them have denominators. So 20 can be written as 20 by 1 because if there is 1 in the denominator, we can just ignore it and also write 20. So 20 is same as 20 by 1. Now all of them has denominators. So the LCM of the denominators are to be done because inside the third bracket we have no multiplication or division, it's only subtraction and addition. So if we have subtraction and addition together, we can do all of them together. We'll just do the LCM of all the three denominators. So what is the LCM of 1, 15 and 3? Definitely it's 15 because 15 is a common multiple to 3 as well as 1 and 15 also. So the LCM becomes 15. Now we will take this denominator 15 and what we need to do, we should ask ourselves 1 into how much is 15? 1 into 15 is 15. That 15 is multiplied to 20. So we write 15 into 20. Then we give this minus sign here. Again ask yourself 15 into how much is 15? So 15 into 1 is 15 and this one is multiplied to 31. So 1 into 31, the plus sign is there. Ask yourself 3 into how much is 15? 3 5s are 15. So 5 is multiplied with 1 and we write 5 into 1. What to do in the next step? So we will just do the operation that are in the numerator. So 15 multiplied by 20 gives us 300. 1 multiplied by 31 gives us 31. 5 multiplied by 1 gives us 5. 300. Then we have a minus sign. So we do 300 minus 31 plus 5. That gives us 274 by 15. Hence, we get 274 by 15 as the answer. So 15 is the denominator here. We just keep it as it is and the numerator gives us answer as 274. So that's all.